Syria, US-led coalition kills 3,700 plus civilians in 5 years. 2 months later, Iran set British oil tanker free. Yemen rebels say 5 killed in Saudi-led airstrikes. Senator hopeful for a strategic US-Turkey relationship. Turkish and US president discuss bilateral relations. US urges against China demand to repatriate Uyghurs. Algeria, ex-regime official face charges over plot. Tunisia, policeman stabbed to death in blizzard. Indonesia, at least 20 killed in poppy riots. Uzbekistan set for general elections in December. Afghanistan, at least 14 civilians killed in air raid. Kashmiri lawmaker urges Erdogan to raise Kashmir at UN.